Hello and welcome back to our masterclass. Today, we're peeling back the layers on how colleges recruit and engage prospective students to not only apply but commit to attending. Colleges use a variety of sophisticated strategies to improve their admissions yield, and understanding these can help you navigate your college choice more effectively. Let's delve into real-world examples to see this in action. Let's look first at early admission strategies. Early decision and early action. Colleges offer early decision, which is binding, and early action, non-binding, to lock in high-caliber students early. By giving you an early acceptance, they increase the likelihood that you'll commit to their institution. This helps the college with yield management, which is basically a way for them to balance enrollment numbers. Schools with lower yield rates use this to predict and secure their class size better. Psychologically, it influences the way a student thinks about the acceptance, which is also known as perceived exclusivity. Being accepted early can make you feel more connected to the school. Let's use the University of Chicago as our first case study. The University of Chicago is known for its aggressive early action program. They offer an uncommon application, which is designed to attract students who appreciate their unique educational approach. By allowing students to apply early without commitment, they can gauge interest and yield more accurately, ensuring they get students who are genuinely excited about their quirky academic environment. This matters because it aligns with UChicago's identity as a place for intellectual curiosity, making students feel they're part of an exclusive club from the get-go. Now we can dive into rolling admissions. Some colleges use rolling admissions to keep students engaged throughout the admissions season. You get decisions earlier, which keeps you in the loop and invested in the college. There is a built-in urgency under rolling admissions because knowing others are being accepted can spur you to make a decision faster. Let's use Penn State University for this example. Penn State employs a rolling admissions policy, which means you apply and hear back relatively quickly, sometimes within weeks. This strategy creates a sense of urgency and also allows Penn State to manage their class size more dynamically. For students, this means you can plan your future earlier, but it also means you might feel pressure to commit sooner. Why would this matter? It can be particularly beneficial for students who want to avoid the stress of waiting until spring for decisions, offering a sense of security and planning. Admitted student days and visitation programs are also ways they keep you engaged. Colleges host special admit days where they roll out the red carpet for accepted students. With that comes a personal touch. You might meet with current students, sit in on classes, or attend special events designed to showcase the best of campus life. It really emphasizes community building. These events aim to make you feel part of the community before you've even started. Campus visits. Whether in person or virtual, colleges tailor these visits to make you feel wanted. Be on the lookout for custom tours, which might be personalized based on your interests or major. Meet and greets provide opportunities to meet professors, deans, or even current students in your intended field. Northeastern University will serve as our example for this topic. Northeastern University hosts Northeastern Experience Days, where admitted students experience the co-op program firsthand. They'll connect with co-op employers, current students, and faculty, offering a taste of what their education could look like. This matters because it directly showcases Northeastern's unique experiential learning model, potentially swaying students who value practical experience over traditional classroom learning. Digital engagement has become a mainstay in the admissions process. Colleges send a series of emails post-application, sometimes with personalized messages. Emails might be tailored to your major, interests, or even mention something from your application to make you feel seen. Regular updates aim to keep you informed about deadlines, events, or new offerings and keeps the college top of mind. They've also figured out social media. From Instagram stories to Twitter threads, colleges curate content to engage with you, providing a behind-the-scenes view into the campus culture, showing off campus life, student achievements, or even the application process. Oftentimes, there is interactive content, including polls, Q&As, or live sessions with admissions officers or student ambassadors. Take Boston University for this example. Boston University uses social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to show the vibrant student life in Boston's urban setting. They engage through stories from current students, showcasing everything from study abroad opportunities to day-to-day campus life. This digital strategy matters because it appeals to the modern student, providing a more authentic view of what life at BU might feel like, potentially increasing engagement and interest post-acceptance. What this really comes down to is understanding the game. For colleges, it's about increasing yield, the percentage of students who accept their offer. They're not just looking for applicants, they want attendees. Where you can take advantage of this is by understanding these strategies. Stay informed so you know when colleges are pushing for decisions. Evaluate commitment demonstrated by the college before enrolling in order to see if their engagement matches your expectations. Take the time to negotiate. Use multiple offers to your advantage, potentially securing more aid or reconsideration. Use the recruitment strategy decoder to analyze the engagement tactics you encounter. Colleges are like marketers when it comes to recruitment. They want you to join their brand. From UChicago's unique application process to Northeastern's co-op immersion days, these strategies are tailored to make you feel valued and part of their community. Here's what to do next. Use the recruitment strategy decoder to understand the intentions behind the recruitment tactics you're experiencing. Reflect on how these strategies make you feel about each college, especially after seeing how institutions like Penn State and BU engage with students. Consider how you can use this knowledge to your advantage in making your college decision or negotiating your aid package. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to navigate the complex world of college admissions together.